What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to talk about the Prosperity Gem Ventures. What's up? What's going on? Okay, so let's go over to the USDT contract real quick. Okay, click on this and we will see. Right, so we are currently working hard to get all refunds done. All refunds will be delivered by February 9th. Okay, guys, it's getting ridiculous now. I don't know why it keeps making deadlines when it cannot, accomplish those deadlines. Okay, so first was on the 1st of February, then was on the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 7th, and now 9th. Okay, just do what you got to do, man. Don't say, hey, you're gonna get your refund on this day, because you will tell people that you're gonna get refund on the 9th, and then when the 9th comes, you don't deliver the refunds. People will get upset. Okay, you might as well keep it quiet. Just do what you got to do. And whenever people get the refund, they will get the refund. Okay, don't set deadlines, because it's just getting silly, right? So if you come over here to the contract, let's see what's up. I've checked the contract. We have 100K in the contract, and a lot of people are reinvesting. If you are still waiting for your refunds, and if you have more than 50 USDT to claim, you might as well come over here to the contract and reinvest. Okay, so let me just open all the transactions so if you can see the last refund. So the last refund was issued 15 minutes ago. Okay, and yeah, prior to that they have been issued refunds. Okay, so the last one was 15 minutes ago, so probably they're going to wrap it up or having a break, or if they are wrapping up, so they will come back tomorrow and continue the refunds. Okay, but yeah, guys, it's understandable, because the BSC USDT contract, they had lots of investors. Okay, and if you have to do it manually, so let's say it takes you 2 to 3 minutes to confirm the refunds. Okay, 2 to 3 minutes times 100 wallets, that's 300 minutes. Okay, so keep that in mind, guys. And the other hand, don't make deadlines that you can't deliver, right? So a good way to check if you can reinvest or not is come to MetaMask, copy your wallets, and then you come over here to DBank. Okay, when you come to DBank, you go to portfolio, and Prosperity Gem Ventures will be right here. So currently, they have both contracts, the USDT, right? So my rewards are currently at 40 bucks. So tomorrow, if I don't receive my refunds, I will be compounding, because tomorrow these rewards will be about 50 something. Okay, hopefully. Okay, I will be compounding, so my rewards will be on my balance. So that means hopefully when I get my refund, I will receive my balance. Okay, and over here we have my stake on the new contract USDC, which I am going to withdraw. Okay, I'm going to cash out. I'm going to ask my refund for my 600 USDC because of this. Okay, so if you come over here to daily gem bot trading, you'll be like, come on, man, come on, what the hell is going on, right? So, and today they are going to change, well, they are going to update the daily percentage, and I believe, from what I can see, it's going down, 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 down. Okay, so if it keeps going down, the running average percentage will be lower than 0.6. Okay, so I have to act fast. Okay, and what I will do, I will cash out from the BSC USDC contract, and I'm going to wait and see what happens. I'm going to wait until he issues all the refunds from all the networks, USDT, Polygon, and Tron. Okay, so hopefully when all is done, right, so the daily APR will be increased, to at minimum 0.6, 0.5, okay, or above. Okay, until then, it's unknown. It's unknown, and I don't like the idea. Okay, because from what I can see, it keeps going down and down and down and down, even though the bot has 6.8 million in trading. Okay, so the bot is trading 6.8 mil, but is not making much money. All right, so you might as well go to Bybit, Binance, or whatever and do our own trades, okay? Because feels like we're gonna be better off, right? So let's go over to my account. So I'll have 62 USDT to collect. So what I'm gonna do before I issue my refund, I'm gonna harvest my gems. So I'm gonna claim my gems first, and then I'm gonna ask my refund. I was expecting to see my refundable gems right here, okay, because I've made my deposit on the 21st of January. That's how I was tracking on the history, okay. I made my deposit on the 21st of January, but you know, it's been more than 15 days, but it's not popping up right here. So I'm gonna try to claim my refund anyway, right? So let's go over to harvest gems. So we're gonna hit this harvest gems, pay their gas fee, and claim those rewards. Okay, there you have it, my rewards right there. Okay, another thing that I would like to mention is, you know, the contract value is 2.7 mil, right? So the total invested is 10.1 mil. Okay, gems harvest 1.09 mil, and the gem bot, so the bot has 6.8 mil, contract pumps 456k. All right, so currently there are enough balance for everyone, so there is no need for the contract pump. Okay, I still believe that, you know, the daily APR is low to delay people from harvest their gems. Okay, so the longer they delay, right, so the longer it takes for people to claim their rewards, right, more and more money will be inside the smart contract until people reach their 15 days and start to issue their refund. So far they have issued 594k in refunds. Okay, obviously people are not happy with the platform right now. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna issue a refund. Let's see if it works. Not really sure because there is no numbers right here, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Let's see if I can get my refund, and from there I'm gonna invest in MOF. Okay, just confirm the transaction. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm not really sure because I think you're supposed to pop up my amount right here that I could be refunded. So 600 USDC. So let's see over here. There you go. Yes, I have received my refund. So keep that in mind, guys. Every time you issue a refund, you know, there is a 5% dev fee. Okay, so 600 minus 5% equals this amount. All right, so 570. Okay, so keep that in mind. So that's it. I'm out of the game. So if you come over here, probably have to refresh. If I come over here, refresh, let's see what happens. I'm out of the game for now. Okay, if I want to go back in, I will then have to use another wallet because this wallet automatically gets blacklisted. Okay, so for some reason my deposit's still there, whatever. Okay, I got my funds right there, and what I'm gonna do with my funds is I am going to go to MOF. Matter of fact, let me go to MOF right now. And yes, I am going to invest in MOF, so I'm increase my position. And in regards to Prosperity Gem Ventures, I'm gonna wait and see what happens. Hopefully once all the refunds are done, money will pump the bots, okay, and we will see the higher percentage. And here we are, Mischief of Fortune. So this is a platform, so if you're not in it, you are missing out because it's a stable coin and you will make 1% daily for 360 days. Okay, so your total return is going to be 360% ROI. Okay, so remember guys, when you invest in these projects, you don't get your initial capital back. Okay, the way you're going to make money with the platform is by earning daily rewards and referral commissions. Okay, so keep that in mind. So once the 300 days comes to an end, okay, that means game over because you already have 360% in your wallet. Okay, so keep that in mind, guys. Don't get it confused. Right, so I've got 635. My position is 1500. I'm gonna go for 600 or 625. let's go ahead. So first you approve, guys, routine. So when you approve these kind of things, right, you have to approve. Don't give the full amount. So I believe Mischief of Fortune, they only gonna approve this amount right here, okay? But some contracts, they will say, okay, let's approve 1 trillion USDC. You don't want to do that. Just approve the amount that you're going to stake, or just give a little bit of margin. Okay, so in this case, if it's an infinite number, I'm going to put 626. Okay, MetaMask will pop up, and you see over here, give permission. Over here, you can see the permission that you are supposed to give, but I'm going to customize that permission. I'm going to say, hey, only spend 626. And what I'm going to do after this video, I am going to revoke these contracts. Okay, even though I trust the team behind the project, okay, it's always good to play safe. Okay, so after this video, I am going to revoke this contract that I'm doing right now. So in the future, if I want to make another deposit, I will have to approve. Okay, so if you keep that habit, you won't have many contracts to revoke. Okay, because last Sunday I had to revoke more than 100 smart contracts. Yeah, so I had to spend like 2-3 hours revoking contracts. And there you have it, guys. One cool thing that I'd like to do is every time you deposit, you know, your deposit will pop up, okay, on the Fortune Hunters TG, right? So, oh, my bad. I have to deposit now. So 625 approved, so now I have to invest. I forgot. My bad, guys. So you approve first and then you invest. And then once you invest, your investment will pop up on the TG group. That's done. So my investment should pop up right here. It takes a few seconds. And if you're not on Fortune Hunters ecosystem, you are missing out big time, because we are constantly seeing deposits all the time. So there you go, that's me. That's me, and I like to send this to my team to show that I am doing another deposit. Bang, there you go, and that's it, guys. Pure and simple. So 21.25, getting that paper every day, so you can claim every 15 days on this one. So in 9 days, 2 hours and 5 minutes, I'll be able to claim my available rewards. And that's it, pure and simple, no messing about. Okay, no messing about. And yeah, that's it, guys. I'm gonna wrap this video up. As soon as I get my refund from USDT, guess what, I'm gonna come over here to Mischief and I'm gonna park my USDT. Okay, obviously I will have to convert to USDC, but I'm gonna park my funds right here, because you know, this thing is doing what it's supposed to do. Whereas Prosperity Gem Ventures, I don't know what the future holds for these projects. Okay, I wish them well. I really wish them well. I would like to continue with the project, but for now, I'm gonna park my funds somewhere else. So once these refunds, all the refunds are issued, then I will assess the project, and if it's worth to reinvest, go back in, I will then go back in, because you know, money seems to be a solid guy. So far so good, but he just have a lot on his plate. So I'm gonna let him do what he has to do, and then once all is done, okay, hopefully everything will go back to normal, and USDC daily APR will be increased, and we're gonna go back in to make money, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.